My name is Jayson Boubin. I'm an assistant professor in the School of Computing. I got my PhD at Ohio State in 2022, came immediately here. So I've been here this is my third year, actually. I'm really enjoying my time here, and most of my research is on autonomous drones. So what is autonomy first? Autonomy is this idea that a machine can operate independent of human control. So when we usually think of drones, we think of drones that are piloted by a human. You can pilot them with a remote control, or you can give them a pre-planned waypoint mission to fly. We like to think of our drones as being able to fly themselves. They fly themselves via machine learning. So what they do is they actually take pictures or videos of the environment around them. They find objects, they find things that they're interested in locating for whatever mission they're planning to do, and they navigate the environment to perform that mission. Examples of this are scouting crop fields, so taking our drones and having them fly out through crop fields and find diseases or model crop yield, or a recent project that we're working on is trying to get our drones to find landmines, right? So we can use our drones for all sorts of interesting and novel applications that we think will benefit humanity.